your life going?
That's going good.
Right?
That's going good. Yeah, just, thank you very much. Just, wrapped Avengers a couple of days ago.
Oh, you just wrapped it?
Yeah.
Which one?
3 and 4.
Oh, so
we
that
shot-
could be it. That may be all the Avengers.
Yeah, we shot most of last year in Atlanta and back-to-back, and it was a long, long shoot.
Has it sunk in that this could be the last time you ever see the Hulk again? I mean, is it...
Yeah. First time I stopped looking at the green tennis ball that represents the Hulk. It was funny because we were... the last couple of months, it just felt like you wanted to get to the end, and all of us were like, how many more days are left? How many more days? And this last week, I was sitting there, and as they wrapped me, all of a sudden it sort of hit me like, oh, wait a second, I didn't soak this up enough. I didn't kind of make the most of it. I didn't say goodbye to everyone or whatever. And
yeah,
because we've been doing this for 7 years or something now, and
yeah, and it's something that everybody will remember forever, really.
Yeah, and the same as us. I mean, it feels like I'm a fan of that world and what we're a part of as much as anybody. And so,
did you steal a hammer at least? Did you take a hammer home?
Yeah.
Oh, a few.
A few.
How many hammers do you have?
About 5.
5 hammers.
There's the one's in the toilet.
It's actually in the toilet, or it's in the bath?
It's next to the toilet if you need some assistance with that.
So it's like a toilet paper holder, like a very expensive...
It is now.
Yeah.
That's what it should be. One's on the mantelpiece somewhere. Yeah.
Really in your bathroom?
Yeah, one of them.
So do people go nuts? If I went in your bathroom and saw the hammer, I don't think I'd ever come out. I really don't.
No, often people stay in there a little longer, and I think it's because of the hammer.
Or,
Or, well, I don't know. maybe the food we've given them or something.